So what I can also do with Google Gemini is generate a vector graphics by using SVG code. So to do that, I'm going to go around and say generate a SVG code of a scene with mountains, road, clouds, and sun right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that, it does take a bit of time to process and will generate an SVG code with the mentioned graphics right there, which results in vector graphics. So it does take a bit of time for that. And then you can see that it has been generated around over here. So now what you can simply do is you can go ahead and copy this out right here, copy out the code right here, and paste it out in an application like Notepad right here. And I'm going to go around and save this out over here on my desktop right here as scene.svg right here, just like this. So this is the SVG, as you can see right here. So now what I can simply do is I can go around and then open it out with an application like Adobe Illustrator, which is a vector graphics editing software. So I'm going to go around onto File and click on Open right here, and then you can see the SVG file right here. So I'm simply going to go around and open, and what happens is that this is the graphics that has been generated right here. So there's no clouds right here, it's not perfect right here, but you can still go around and edit it and change it out according to how you like it right here. So there's some mountain ranges, as you can see right here. There's the road, I guess, like here, just like this. And now you can see that it's not perfect, but you can create out graphics right here, just like this, by using Gemini as well. So that is how you can generate SVG codes using Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.